Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.